This CYAFIXED Cyanoacrylate set gives woodworkers a well-balanced range of thin, medium, and ultra-thick formulas that cover everything from hairline crack repair to serious gap filling. The very thin adhesive behaves almost like water, wicking deeply into fine splits and end grain, which makes it excellent for stabilizing delicate pieces and creating smooth, hard finishes on turned work. The medium viscosity bottle hits a sweet spot for everyday woodworking, offering strong, clean bonds on most species of wood without running all over the surface. The ultra-thick version stays where you put it, so it is particularly useful for filling larger voids, rebuilding chipped edges, and working on vertical faces without sagging. Having multiple bottle sizes plus extra applicator caps and microtips makes it easy to control flow precisely and extend the life of the glue between projects. Overall, this kit feels thoughtfully put together for serious woodturners and furniture restorers who want fast-setting, reliable bonds without juggling several different brands.